Never put these 6 foods in the fridge, otherwise you wouldn't even know how you died. Ginger. Ginger is prone to mold in humid environments, and the cold and humid conditions of the refrigerator can cause mold and bacteria to grow on the roots. 2. Onions. Moisture in the refrigerator can affect the texture and shelf life of onions, and it can also promote mold and make onions unsafe to eat. 3. Garlic. Cold temperatures can cause garlic to germinate, become moldy and rubbery in texture. 4. Colored pepper. Color peppers will lose their crispness and freshness after being placed in the refrigerator, and the low temperature environment will destroy the cell structure of color peppers, making them soft and poor taste. 5. Coffee. Putting coffee in the refrigerator may affect its flavor and aroma, as coffee beans have the property of absorbing surrounding odors and are easily affected by other odors in the refrigerator. 6. Cucumbers. Putting the cucumber in the refrigerator will accelerate the decay of the cucumber, and the low temperature will cause the cucumber to lose its crispness and accelerate the breakdown of vegetable tissues.